So good morning friend. Today we will discuss the program for the nested loop structure. We know that the nested loop structure is the loop within the loop, and for the illustration of this such type of program we will take one program for the addition of two 3 by 3 matrices, and we will go to the compiler of the C++ and we will discuss and write a program for the addition of 3 by 3 matrices. So let's jump to the compiler of the C++ and write a program for that. So this is the compiler of the C++ or C, and here we will try to write the program for the addition of 3 by 3 matrices. So here we will write a program. We will write here main, and after that we will write some variables. We will declare the variable. Suppose we have to declare a variable and we have to use the matrices. So in the theory part we have already discussed how to declare the arrays, and here we have to create a two-dimensional array. Suppose we will declare here a of 3 by 3. So this is first matrices, and another matrix that we have to define b of 3 of 3, and to store the addition of these two matrices we will take another matrix, that is c of 3 by 3. So these three matrices we have to define for in the integer type, that is int a of 3 by 3, b of 3 by 3, and the c of 3 by 3. After that we will declare another two variables, int I comma j, and these are the counter variables that we have to define. And after that we will write here clr scr. We will write here clr scr. Then we will write a comment statement here. You will write here printf /n, enter the values of, or enter the values of matrix, or enter the matrix. I will write here enter the matrix A, and for entering the matrix variable we will use the loop here for I equals to 1, or we can write here I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I less or equals to 3, and I plus plus. Again we will apply the another loop here for j equals to 1, j less or equals to 3, and j plus plus, here j plus plus. Now here I will write here scanf %d and ampersand a of ij. So this is the input of the first matrix, or this is the input of the matrix A. After that we will write, or we will input the another matrix, and for that we can copy here, we can copy this is the copy, and we will write paste here. Again we will go and paste. So this will be done here, we will paste, because this is for the second matrix. So here we can change here matrix B, and instead of this A I will write here B. So this is the input of matrix B. Now we have to add these both matrix. So again I will write here comment line. I can write comment line here, a logic for addition of matrix. So here I will write for, again, I equals to 1, I less or equals to 3, I less or equals to 3, again I plus plus. After that again I will to apply another for loop for j equals to 1, j less or equals to 3, and again I will write here j plus plus plus, j plus plus, and here I will write c of I j, c of ij, that's equals to a of ij plus b of ij. So this is the logic for the addition of this two 3x3 matrices. Now I have to print the addition of these two 3x3 matrices. So here again I am writing the comment line here, logic to print the addition of matrix. So here I will print the matrices. So again I have to print the logic for this matrices. So here I will write for I equals to 1, I less or equals to 3, and I plus plus. So here again I will write for j equals to 1, j less or equals to 3, and j plus plus. So here I will printf, /n, and what we have to print here I will write %d, and what we have to print, that is c of ij. Now in the first iteration we have to print 3 values in the first row. That's why I will write here t, because it will print by tabs. Now again I will write after printing the first row we have to print in the next row. That's why here I am writing printf /n, and I will print the /n here. Okay, so this is the logic for the addition of 3x3 matrices. Now look at this. This is the opening brace of this outer for loop, and in the inner for loop there is only one line. That's why we are not using the opening and closing brace in that. So this is our ending of our program, and I will write here get ch, and I will complete the program. And before execute this program I have to save this program. So here I will save this program. I have to give the name of this program. So here I will write matrix addition or matrix add. I will write matrix add dot c, matrix add dot c. So this program will saved, and I have to compile this program. We know how to compile this program, control and F9. So here we have compiled this program. There is one error, so we will check where that error is. So in the subscription something is missing. So this thing is missing. So here a bracket is missing, so we will input a bracket and compile again. So there is not a single error. Now enter the matrix A. So here I will enter the matrix A. It's the first matrix. Suppose I will enter 1 2 1 2 and 4, 1 3 and 4. Again I will input here 3 4 and 7. Suppose again I will input another 3 5 6 and 7. 5 save and save, and whatever the variables, whatever the values. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now I have to input another matrix. So this got an error. Why this got an error? So we will compile the program again, and I will input the values 1 4 and 6, 5 6 and 8, 5 9, okay, 5 6 and this 8. So these are the values of that first matrix. We will see what is wrong to us. 5 7 and 9, 5 7 9, 5 7 9. So now look at this. When we see the addition, all the variables are added. We will again execute the program. We will make some changes there in the program and we will execute again. Now look at this. Here I will write in the printf /n addition of matrix, addition of matrix, addition of matrix. So we will enclose here and run again. This printf is, this p is in capital format, that's why it's got an error. So we will run again. Again we will enter the values 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this is the matrix A. Now we will again input some values 3 2 1, 3 2 1, 3 2 and 1. So now this is the addition of the matrices. Now it is in the next line from there, so we can place one /n, so it will be very clear. Again we will repeat the program again. So here we will write /n, right here /n, right here /n, and again execute the program. So again we will input the values 5 5 and 5. Again we will input the values 5 5 and 5. Suppose again we will input the values 5 5 6 and 5. Now again this is the enter the matrices B. Again we will input here 4 4 and 4. Again we will input here 4 4 and 4. Again we will input here 4, here we will input 3 and 4. Now when we enter, so this is the addition of matrix. So this is the program for the addition of the matrices, addition of the matrix, and this is the logic behind it. Now we will see one by one and go to the program. So in the first we have declared three matrices or arrays of two-dimensional arrays. A is the two-dimensional array 3 by 3, B is again two-dimensional arrays A 3 by 3, again C is the another array. Again we have defined two variables, and these two variables are nothing but the counter variables. Then we have write the logic for inputting the values of the matrix A. So this is the coding for input the values in the matrix A. Then this is the coding to input the values in the matrix B, and now this is the logic to input the matrix. This is the logic for the addition of these 2 by 2 matrices. And then we have the logic to print the added matrix. So go this program very carefully, and you can write the program. When you see I have write the program, it is very minimum errors. So our main motto to create such type of videos to how to write the error free programs, and very few error should be there when we write the program. Means when it is possible only then our logic is very clear. And in this video we will see where we will focus only on the logic building. So you should see my video of matrices there. You should see my video for the arrays. When you see the video of array, you will very clear how arrays are created, how to input the various values in the arrays. And this is the program for addition of 2 by 2 matrices. The same program can be write for the subtraction of the matrices, and for that here we can write only the, in the comment line we can write here only subtraction. You can write only subtraction, and here we will write here minus, and again the program is same. So here we will write only in the printf statement that will be printed on the screen, and that we have to change subscription or subtraction. You write here subtraction, and we can compile the program. So we will see that it will be, I will input the values of matrix A. So here I will input 6 and 6, suppose again 6, or it is 5 or 5 suppose. Then I will input 4 and 4 suppose. And now the matrix B that I have to input, again I will write the values of matrix B 2 2 2 2 2 2. Again I will input the values 2 2 and 2. So you will see the subtraction of this matrix. So it is the logic for the subtraction of the matrix. And if you have to do the multiplication of that, so this is not the case. When you study how to multiply the matrices, 3 by 3 matrices, you have to go to the mathematical logic, and you have to study what is the, how the matrices are multiplied. It is row into column. You will see that video, or we will see that logic in the next video. So this is enough for this, and you should study this, you should write this logic, and you should practice more and more. So if you have doing well and you have understand something, you should like this video. You have to comment if there is any problem with the video or with the logic, or what you have to tell something to me, or if you have expected some concrete answers from me, you should write me some questions there, and you should subscribe this video for daily updates. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.